Time is life's most precious. Today I'm sharing 4 simple cleaning habits to save you hours daily while keeping your space peaceful and fresh. Habit 1. Always start at the top. Mirrors, shelves and counters. Finish with the floor, because gravity works with you, not against you. And this way, dirt and dust don't undo your hard work. Habit 2. Save time by using multi-purpose tools. 1 cloth, 1 spray, many surfaces. Less switching, more cleaning. Eco-friendly tools make it even better. Habit 3. Declutter before cleaning. A clear space makes cleaning faster, easier and more peaceful. Remember, less clutter, less stress. Habit 4. Set 15 minutes timer. It keeps you focused, and it turns cleaning into a challenge and saves hours in the long run. You'll be amazed at what you can do in just 15 minutes. These habits save time, energy, and they bring peace into your home. Try them today and let me know which one works best for you. And don't forget, subscribe for more more tips on eco-friendly living and healing movement.